Hey y'all, it's Courtney, and I just wanted to show you guys the current situation, I guess. Look how freaking beautiful. I love the snow, but I hate it because when it starts snowing, I know I have to go out and work in it. And I'm like, oh, fuck that. Especially last night. I have been salting the road, and our hill is horrific. I'm pretty sure I showed it. But this hill is like a freaking incline. Like, even for West Virginia standards, it's a very tall hill. There's my house. Hello, house. I'm going to show y'all the back. This is the one I'm working in today. Show y'all the back deck. The steps are gone. You can't even see the steps anymore. It's so crazy. Anyways, if you guys are in West Virginia or the surrounding area, please stay safe. If you can, stay home. It is not worth it to risk it to go out to get milk or bread or whatever. Luckily, I got groceries yesterday, so I'll be just fine. But yeah, you guys stay safe and enjoy this beautiful weather. I was going to make a video, like, I keep seeing these things on TikTok, and it's like, oh, it's real, about how snowflakes are all different and have these beautiful geometric patterns, and I forget that some people have never seen snow for real. And yes, snow does have one-of-a-kind geometric patterns in them. But I was going to make a video showing that, but I'm wearing a white sweater today, so I don't think that's going to work. Anyways, y'all, be safe out there.